When it comes to replacing windows in your Sanford home, finding the right type of window is key. Windows are more than just an aesthetic feature. They contribute to energy efficiency, security, and comfort. With so many window types available on the market, homeowners can easily feel overwhelmed. This guide will help you understand various window options so you can make an informed choice that suits your home's unique needs. Single hung and double hung windows. Single hung and double hung windows are classic choices for homes in Sanford and beyond. The primary difference between the two lies in their operability. In single hung windows, only the bottom sash moves, while double hung windows allow both the upper and lower sashes to slide vertically. Pros of single hung windows: lower cost, energy efficiency, and a classic look make single hung windows appealing for budget-conscious homeowners. Pros of double hung windows: improved ventilation due to the ability to open from both the top and bottom, and easier cleaning access, as many models tilt inward. Considerations: double hung windows are typically more expensive but offer greater functionality, making them a popular choice for areas that require good airflow. Casement windows. Casement windows are attached to their frames by one or more hinges, usually at the side. They swing out like a door, operated by a crank mechanism. This window type is ideal for those seeking a modern, energy-efficient option. Pros: casement windows provide excellent ventilation and a tight seal when closed, improving energy efficiency and keeping air and water leaks at bay. They are also great for hard-to-reach areas like above kitchen sinks. Considerations: since they open outward, careful placement is needed to avoid interference with exterior landscaping or walkways. They can be more expensive to install, but their energy-saving potential may offset the cost over time. Sliding windows. Sliding windows, also known as gliding or slider windows, open by moving horizontally along a track. This type of window is especially useful for wide openings and is common in contemporary-style homes. Pros: these windows are easy to operate, provide a wide view of the outside, and are ideal for spaces with limited vertical clearance. They often require less maintenance due to fewer moving parts compared to crank-operated options. Considerations: sliding windows may not offer the same airtight seal as casement windows, which can affect energy efficiency. Regular track cleaning is necessary to ensure smooth operation. Bay and bow windows. Bay and bow windows project outward from the home's exterior wall, creating a nook inside. Bay windows typically consist of 3 panels, one large central window flanked by 2 smaller ones at angles. Bow windows contain 4 or more panels, creating a curved appearance. Pros: these windows add visual interest and charm to a home, creating a feeling of openness and adding additional interior space. They allow ample natural light and panoramic views. Considerations: bay and bow windows require more installation space and can be more expensive to install and maintain. However, they can significantly boost curb appeal and potentially increase property value. Awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating an awning-like effect when opened. They are commonly installed above or below fixed windows to allow for ventilation without exposing the interior to rain. Pros: great for rainy climates, these windows can remain open during light showers. Their tight seal ensures good insulation, contributing to better energy efficiency. Considerations: awning windows work best when installed higher on walls and may not be suitable for locations where they could obstruct exterior pathways. Picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed panes of glass that do not open. They are designed to offer unobstructed views and let in ample natural light. Pros: perfect for showcasing views and letting in sunlight, picture windows offer excellent insulation due to their non-operable design. Considerations: since they don't open, they don't provide ventilation. Homeowners may pair them with operable windows for better airflow. Choosing the right fit. When choosing replacement windows for your Sanford home, consider factors like energy efficiency, maintenance needs, ventilation requirements, and architectural style. Each window type brings distinct advantages and aesthetic appeal. By selecting the right windows, you can enhance your home's comfort, value, and curb appeal, ensuring your investment pays off for years to come. This guide helps you make an informed decision tailored to your needs and preferences. By understanding the benefits of various window types, you can find the perfect fit for your Sanford home, blending functionality, style, and efficiency.